I day trade the oil future markets, and I haven't done a multi-frame analysis in a while. So here's me sharing how I view the markets on different time frames. Just a point of reference. Don't know if many folks know, but oil actually went negative. Went negative 40 back in March of 2020. But nevertheless, so if you look at the monthly chart, price is at 76. For a round number, we're going to use 75, right? We have resistance, support, support, resistance, support. So price likes this $75 level. Most recent highs, again this is a monthly chart, we'll say 94. And on the downside, we're going to say 70. Okay. I also see a nice level here at 60. We'll just say monthly buyers at 60. Okay, let's go down to the weekly chart. This most recent candle is Friday's candle. So oil is down for the day. Could also see up at the 120 level, price made a double top. And has since been in a decline. Makes sense, right? Fed Powell has been raising interest rates. US dollar has, less about the US dollar, but increasing interest rates just dampens demand for everything, especially oil, which is the engine of the economy. Okay, so price has been range bound since November. And I'm going to make that orange. So when you're day trading oil, you play the extremes or the momentum. Today was an opportunity to short oil. I didn't find any setups that met my trading plan, so I did not trade oil today. Okay, let's go down to the daily charts. I'm going to put a line here. So anywhere above this green dash line and below this white dash line is just chop. And a lot of traders can accumulate a bunch of losses because prices just wicksoring back and forth. Unless you catch a move at the beginning of the, say, the opening bell for oil, which is 9 o'clock Eastern time, and you catch the move for the day, right? We call this the daily price action. So in this case, we opened at 80.20 today, and price declined, or has been declining for the day, losing roughly $2-3. Alright, so let's just go down to the daily chart. So potentially you have a level of short. At 87. I'm not in love with the level because we have a lot of trading to the left of this area here, so there's really nothing to stop price from moving higher if and when price gets here. But we also could have a bull trap where price comes into the area and then pulls back. Alright, let's see what we have on the downtrend. I don't remember what happened here. Let's just want to say, okay, it's the bottom of the, we'll call it the magnet range. Let's see what, okay, price. So I was going to say I like this level here. Just want to see what, yeah, so that would have been a nice setup, right? Price came down, touched it, and that trade was good for, I don't know, roughly a 5-to-1 reward to risk ratio. But since then, price has breached the level. Alright, so I need to look below the green dashed line. I'm going to go to the 4-hour chart. Not in love with this structure here at 69. No, definitely not in love with it because the structure occurred during the overnight session, and there's not a lot of volume in the overnight session. So we do have price reacting right now. This is a 4-hour chart to this structure here at, we'll say at 75. Now today is Friday. It is going on 1 o'clock. If this was much earlier in the day, potentially I would look to place a long trade. Let's just go down to the hourly chart to see how it looked. Price on the hourly chart is reacting to this 8 simple moving average. curiosity, let's go to the, so if on the hourly chart, again, if this was the beginning of the day session, if price could get a close above the 8 SMA and this pivot high, really nothing stopping price climbing another dollar or so. Let's go down to the 15-minute chart. Yeah, this was a good setup to have gotten long. Right here, right? These wicks confirm that price couldn't go lower, which is why it's pulling back. Just want to go to the 5-hour chart, 5-minute chart, just to see. Yeah, it'll be interesting Sunday night into Monday whether price rebounds higher or continues to move further down. A lot of it's going to depend on economic data to support demand or excess supply. Just trying to see if there's a setup on the upside to take it short. So right now you have, you could say price is just winding up for a potential breakout on Monday. Until next time.